train is right on time. The boys are back on the road. Grand Funk Railroad. Saturday, January 27th, Effingham Performance Center. Featuring Don Brewer, Mel Shocker, Bruce Julian, Max Carl, and Tim Cashin. Tickets on sale now at Ticketmaster.com, by phone at 800-745-3000, or at the EPC box office.